Welcome to This Week in Nerd News, twin number 44, where in 5 minutes or less I will share with you just some key stories that we need to be paying attention to. In this first story, SolarWinds hackers continue to hit tech companies, according to Microsoft. Now, we already know that supply chain attacks are an area of concern going forward indefinitely, but now it seems that the exact same group behind SolarWinds is continuing to hit companies. And it is clear that our collective defenses in our industry are not yet where they should be. The defenses are available, but they have not been deployed yet. FIS's WorldPay replaces the PAX terminals over security concerns. And this is after Brian Krebs reported in this article about how the FBI raided the Chinese point-of-sale company. There's too much to unpack here during this short segment today, but it is worth a read in detail. Location data firm got the GPS data from maps even when people opted out. And the lesson in this is that relying on apps alone not to track you has shown us time and again that it doesn't work. However, these data brokers do have in common is that they use domains that can be filtered. HUQ, for example, uses api.huq.io, which is blocked by default with deployments of Atom 1, for example, and probably with other security filters as well. So think about always having your app environment filtered outside of the app ecosystem itself. Node poisoning. Hijacked package delivers coin miner and credential stealing backdoor. This is a very popular library that is used by millions of developers, and systems administrators now have their work cut out to see what damage may have occurred after this backdoor may have been deployed. And Microsoft reports that SIP bypassing, SIP is the system integrity protection of Apple's, is a vulnerability in macOS. And as much as we are frustrated with the insecurity of all vendors, including Apple, we do give them one compliment. They do generally patch fast, but not always. It does mean, though, that we do need to stay current and updated at all times, no matter what platform you're on. So either choose a management platform so that it's done for you, or do it yourself. But it is a necessary part of maintaining your security posture. And did you know that the app on your Mac you maybe didn't know you needed is called Rectangle app? Now, even though others exist, such as Magnet, I find that the keyboard shortcut defaults on the Rectangle app are just so perfect. When you're working with multiple apps or multiple browser windows and you want to see at the same time, but you would just want to perfectly maximize the real estate and minimize all distractions, and it's just made for you as well. It's a free app from rectangleapp.com. See you next week.